Hey guys, today I'm going to show y'all how to make some butter slime. This right here is not butter slime. This is actually bottled magic. You can get this at your local dollar store for about just $1. This is clay. Most like model it, put it in the freezer overnight, or just leave it out overnight. But it's not really slime. As you can see, it's not stretchy at all. Well, it's a little stretchy, but not much, and it rips very easily. Okay, so the first ingredient is going to be lotion. And if you have barely any lotion like I do, I like barely, you can go ahead and put water in your lotion bottle. That's what I'm going to do right now. Now, I'm going to pour it in here. Just grab it. This water's coming out right now. Alright guys, turned out I was completely out of that lotion, so I'm going to use this one. It doesn't matter which lotion you use, I just think you have to use a lotion. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm rubbing in the lotion. I'm so sorry about the background noise, I have my cousins over. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like with just a bunch of water. It's already kind of being slime, but not much, you know. It still has that clay feeling, but it still has that slime feeling also, which it feels like shaving cream with lots of water in it, but hard. Now if you want, see it's already coming together right now. If you want, you can put shaving cream in it, but my shaving cream is kind of watery, but I'm still going to see if that works. Okay, let me get my shaving cream, and see it's a little sticky, so I'm going to see if the shaving cream will help it not be that sticky. My shaving cream's a little watery, guys, so it's a little watery, so yeah. It's not my fault. Well, I guess it is my fault because I've been using a lot of it. I'm so sorry about that, guys. My camera keeps falling over because I have nothing to set it on. Well, my phone, not my camera, my bad. But I'm just setting it against a picture frame right now. Okay, so I'm going to put some shaving cream in it. I told you guys it's watery. So sorry. Okay. Oh, it's not as sticky no more. And it feels way much softer. It is still sticky, but not as much. Earlier, I couldn't even get my fingers out of it. Yes, this feels so soft, guys, and it's way less sticky. And I recommend this slime. The process of making it will be a little messy. It'll be a little sticky. If you just think it's a little sticky, you can keep adding lotion in it or keep adding water, whichever one you think is best. So, comment down below what kind of slime you want me to make next. And please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And give this video a big like. And I might just give a free giveaway to this slime. So, whoever comments on my next video, free giveaway, I will give you this slime. In my next video, I'm not sure what it's going to be about. It's going to be about whatever. Y'all comment down below what slime you want me to make next. So, yeah guys. Okay. Now, let's do the test. The slime test. Alright. The poke test. Okay, now I don't know what this is called. I think it's just called the stretch test. Stretch test. Okay, now we're going to try to do the swirl test. Alright guys, hang on. Alright guys, now we're going to try the swirl test. It passed! Okay guys, this is officially a slime. And I think for my next video, I'm going to try to do the cheddar cheese slime. Comment down below if you want me to do that slime or a different slime. Alright guys, say goodbye to the slime, say goodbye to me. Alright, I'll see y'all next time with a new video about slime. Bye!